Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram account from login list. First of all, just open the Instagram application. Then from here, when we long press on our profile in the lower left corner, and you will see all the profiles or Instagram accounts that is logged in this device. So what we can do is just click on our profile. Here, tap on these three bars in the top right corner and go for this settings and privacy. From here you want to scroll down at the very bottom and just simply tap on this log out. Click on this log out again, and now you will see all of your accounts here if you have 4 accounts, 3 accounts or 2 accounts. So from here what you can do is you just have to tap on these 3 dots and simply tap on this remove profiles from this device. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can remove Instagram account from login list. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.